I'm going on vacation, going on vacation. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Rissa, and I'm coming through with another video, of course. So in this video, I'm going to take you on a packing adventure with me. So I'm going on vacation tomorrow, and I want to show you guys what I'm packing. And also give you a couple ideas on what you should pack. So let's go. Alright, so on my vacation, I'm going to be bringing my carry-on bag, which is this bag. It's by Beis, and it opens up like this. It's a huge bag. I love big bags because I like snacks. So best believe this is going to be packed up with TSA approved snacks because I don't want them to confiscate my stuff. And I sure don't want to buy a whole bunch of stuff from the airport because they be like raising the prices. And at the bottom of this bag, let's see, they have two versions. So I didn't get the other version, but this version, it doesn't come off. But it's like a bottom portion where you can put shoes, dirty clothes, anything like that. Instead, I decided to pack my travel blanket that I picked up from Marshall's. And something else I picked up from Marshall's is my travel pillow. I've never owned one of these, and this is actually my first trip, and I'm super excited. But this is on, of course, a top list I have on an airplane. Because my flight is going to be 8 hours. And from all my friends that travel, they're saying that that's a long flight. So I got to be prepared. So, in my carry-on, I'm going to have, of course, some hand sanitizer, keep it clean. And, let's see, they have a spot in the Beis bag right here for, like, if you have a tablet, laptop, or anything like that. And, of course, you know, the girl's coming through with the Clorox wipes after wet ones. And they got the new tropical scent. I can't wait to try it out. And also, since this is like my first ever trip, because honestly, the only trips I've ever been to was Texas when I lived in Louisiana. So now that I live in Texas, I'm like, man, I need to take a real vacation. But I found this online. I think it's travelsmart.com or something. It's like the ultimate packing list. And it's helping me like think of things that I should put in my suitcase or my carry-on so I won't forget. Because unfortunately, I'm doing this at the last minute and I'm super tired. And I don't want to forget nothing. So I'm going to show you what I'm putting. This is actually going in my check box. In my check suitcase. So, because I like full size things, especially when it comes to like beauty and just some products. But I have my Canvas Beauty stuff I put in my hair at night. I have some spray from Bath and Body Works. I have my face stuff, and of course I have my contact solution, makeup wipes if I feel like putting on makeup during my vacation. I pack, of course, facial cleanser, and I got the travel size because I don't want to bring that big huge one that I have. And I also got this little Suave. Well, no, it's not Suave. I lied. It's Dial. I thought it was Suave. But I have like this Dial. And, you know, just everything I need for a facial. I have the witch hazel for my face. And also, right here, I have the Crest. I know you probably can't see it. And, of course, you don't want to forget a little shower proof. Alright, for my makeup, I brought this from Marshall's also. It's like a little makeup case. I thought it was so cute. And I don't know if I'm bringing this yet, but this came in my boxes. But I like it because it does this, just in case you need to hang it somewhere. And I got this mirror, this compact mirror from Target. It was like $10, but I didn't have a compact mirror, and I thought it was a good idea to have one. So let me try to open it. Yeah, this is how it looks. It has the magnified, and then it has like the regular mirror at the top. But yeah, I'm going to be putting like the little bit of makeup that I have in here because I'm new to makeup, so still don't know halfway what I'm doing. And another good idea for traveling that I'm bringing is I invested in some packing cubes. This is a definitely good idea, especially if you have if you want to separate by occasion or days, if you can, or if you just want to, you can use, this is a shoe bag. I know some people get laundry bags with this, but I just got a shoe bag. And of course, I have all my vacation clothes scattered on my bed. Oh, and I do want to show y'all this cute file. I think it's cute, but they're super comfortable. I got these from Costco. They were like $12, and they're super comfortable for the beach because I could not find any beach shoes with good reviews. I don't know if I was overlooking, but, and for one of the big finales, I am bringing, this is my suitcase. So I don't know if I'm gonna need all this. It's like the biggest suitcase you can get on a plane. But I thought it was cute because it was rose gold and it's a Samsonite. So, and then it also has the TSA approved lock, so you can lock your suitcase, not to worry about nobody, you know, trying to steal from it or anything like that. And only, of course, TSAs can open it with that TSA approved lock. But I should be able to fit everything in here. So I'm going on vacation for like 8 days. And where's my zipper? Yeah, I'm going on vacation for 8 days. So let's start packing. Okay, I'm back and we're about to get a little up close and personal. So, of course I did my packing cubes. I should have brought maybe a quantity of 2 instead of just 1 if I wanted all of my clothes in there. But this packing cube, I got my bras and underwear and personal things and masks. And right here I have my swimsuits packed up. I brought all of my swimsuits because I just want to have options and I just want to know how I feel on that day. So I want to be able to go through there and be like, boom, bam, there go that swimsuit. And in this pack, I actually packed up my shirts, my dresses, and any 2-piece outfits. And it fit perfectly. Like I fit all of my 2-piece outfits, the shirts I'm going to bring, and of course my dresses in here. And of course I do plan on doing a little hiking on my vacation, so I have my workout shorts because I know it's going to be super hot. And then I have I always bring like 2 or 3 pairs of pants, even though it's the summer or it has summer weather, because you never know what's going to happen. And I have some shorts that I brought, and of course you've already seen my little toiletry bag. But yeah, this is how it's going so far. I still have a whole bunch of stuff on my bed that I need to put in my suitcase. So yeah. Okay, so here is the final product of my suitcase. I hope it's not 50 pounds. I'm about to check it with our scale that we got. So, and I like this, especially because it has the zip on it. And I put my shoes right here, and I put a whole bunch of shoes in my makeup bag. And of course my steamer, I decided to just keep it in the box until I get like a little storage for it, and I can put all the parts that came with it. I'm not quite done with my carry-on yet. I still have some stuff going on down there, but this is so far where I got at the end. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to end it on this note. I still got a couple more things to pack into my carry-on. And then I'm going to go deuces and go to sleep because I'm tired. And I got to get up at like 5 in the morning to get to the airport by 6. Yeah, I want to get there extra early just to make sure I have everything right. But like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness. Live your best life.